So if the snake did not hit the wall, there is still a chance that the snake hit its own body. So let's check if that happened. So we can do an if statement and check if the game board field with the coordinates for our snake, which is the snake XY, with the head. So if the head hit the field that is a snake on our x-axis, that's the first dimension, and the y would be obviously the snake XY with the index of 0 for the head, and check in the y coordinates. And I have the brackets wrong. This is not a bracket there, it's just a comma. If this field with these coordinates equals the game field of snake, then the game is over again. So if this equals the game board fields dot snake, then the snake head hit its own body. So we can again do the game over, and we can refresh the screen. So picture game board dot refresh, and once again the game is over, so we can just return from here. So again, we have our x coordinates for our snake, we have our y coordinates for our snake, and we are talking about the head, so that's the 0 index. So these are the coordinates that we check on our game board field. And if these game board field coordinates have a snake on it as a field, then the head hits the body and we end the game. So we are almost ready to draw the head, but before we can also check if the snake ate a bonus, because if the snake eats the bonus, the body grows. So let's code the logic for that next.